Hello. Now we're going to talk about Google Drawings. Google Drawings is one of my favorite Google apps, and in my opinion, it's one of the ones that hardly anyone seems to use or talk about. Maybe one of the reasons is having that blank canvas staring you in the face can be kind of intimidating, but like everything that Google does, they make it easy, intuitive, and if you make a mistake, it's easy to correct. So let's get started. First thing I'm going to do after signing into my Drive account is to go to New, click on More, and click on Google Drawings. And there it is, the beautiful blank canvas, kind of intimidating. So let's start opening up the toolbox and make some sense out of it. One of the other good things I like about the Google Drawing app is that when I hover my mouse on top of things, it prompts me as what exactly they are so I remember. I don't have to remember everything. It will prompt me, which is great. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to name my drawing by clicking and writing. This will be Google Doodle. Click on OK. And voila. Now it has a name. First tool I'm going to use is, let's go to Shapes. I'm going to click on Shape. And let's see what we have. Tons of different kinds of shapes. We have hearts and boxes and triangles, suns, and in arrows, all different kinds of arrow shapes. We have callouts. If you needed to do thought clouds, word clouds, equations. I'm going to use the shapes, and let's see, this sun looks good. Let me try that again. Shapes, sun. Let's try it again. Shapes. There it is. Okay, great. Now, if you don't like the size of how it appears, you can also always toggle from the corners to make it bigger. If you go under the fill color icon, we can change the fill color by clicking, and we can pick one of the colors here, like in this like the orange one. If you want to change the outside lines, we're going to go to line color, and I'm going to make it purple. Now it's outlined in purple. I might want to make the lines heavier, so I'm going to make it bigger. Ooh, that's really big. We'll go a little smaller. Already, it's looking pretty great, don't you think? I think now I'm going to add a text box. So I click on text box, click and drag. And just as you think it would be, start typing. This is the sun. Awesome. And I'm going to make this bigger. I'm going to change the font. Ooh, that is impactful. I can change the color. Let's see. It's looking pretty good. One thing I didn't mention is that if you want to rotate a picture, you click on it to activate it to make sure it's activated, and then put your cursor right on the top so that the cross sign comes, and then you can rotate it. Just like that. And if you decide for whatever reason that whatever you've done was a big mistake, you can go over here and put it back to the undo. Quick and easy. Okay, now it's time to start investigating the line tools. Let's go under the line tools, and we see we have straight lines. We can make boxes. We're gonna do arrows. We can make them bigger. The scribble is kind of interesting because that's almost like a free draw. Hard with a mouse, but it gives you a lot of control. Also, there is the polyline, which creates an image with each click. Makes for some interesting possibilities, absolutely. Another thing I really like about the Google Drawing app is the power that it has by being able to insert images. And in order to do that, we can go to Insert. We can insert text boxes, images, word art, line art, shapes, tables, insert comments. Same features that the other suite of Google Tools has. I'm going to insert an image. And in this case, I could drag an image there, upload it. I could take a snapshot. I could do it by URL, the albums. I could drag it in from my drive. Like before, I'm going to click on the search tool, and I'm going to go to Google, and the images that I want would be immigration, children. Let's see what comes up. So this looks like a lot of great images. So I think I'm going to pick this one. And there it goes. Now, I'm going to resize this. As I can do, I can move it over here. And as you notice, now the picture is on the top and the sun is on the bottom. And I've decided that I don't really want the picture on the top. I want the picture underneath the sun. And there is a way to do that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go under Arrange, Order. Since it's in the front, I'm going to send it to the back. And there it goes. If I decide that that's not the right thing, I can undo it. Easy as that. And just like everything else, I can change the size. I can put a border around it. I can crop it. If I want to crop the image, I click on the crop tool and bring it in. Maybe bring it in a little more. It's an amazing tool. Double click on the out and there it is. I don't like it there. I'm going to put it there. Google Drawings is an amazing tool, only limited by your imagination.